Scar, did you just fart?
No.
You sure?
I did not.
Okay. I'm just downloading a YouTube video, okay?
Okay. Bye-bye.
You know you don't have to be so quiet anymore, okay?
Okay. Bye.
You can be as loud as you want.
Hello. Hello. I need you to babysit me. No, I'm gonna do both. Oh, sorry. It's very okay. So again. So, let me do one for baby, please. Okay. That's it. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Scar,
What?
you know, I'm taking a video of you. I'm posting this on YouTube.
Oh, God. Video of what?
You playing with your dolls.
You just did that. No! Don't do that! I'm like, stop it!